outro. You want to make an intro for me?
Yeah.
Go.
What's the intro? I don't know the intro.
Hi guys, I'm on Braids channel.
Say hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm about to get my hair done.
I'm about to get my hair done.
And start on all you little girls on the playground.
And that's on all you little girls on the playground. And I'm gonna be looking amazing.
Period.
Period.
Period poo.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and I'm so excited to share this transformation on this doll with you guys today. She was literally a whole mood, and I love the way that the look turned out. So I am doing knotless box braids in the back. The top is going to be stitched feed-in braids that are going to go into a bun, or she can also wear it into a ponytail. And recently, like whenever I've been working on kids, I've been suggesting the knotless method just because it's a lot less tension on their hair, and also it doesn't hurt as bad. And a lot of kids are tender-headed, which is why I know a lot of stylists do not like to style on kids, but she was super dope, super awesome, and so I really enjoyed creating this look. This look took me a total of 3 hours to complete. I did a wash, blow dry, trim, and then I went ahead and braided it. And typically whenever I'm recording, it does take a little bit longer, so you guys can kind of just like get a sense of time in there. I used a total of 3 packs of Expressions braiding hair that I cut in half, and I feathered myself. And I'm really particular, guys, on the hair that I use, because when you dip certain types of hair, it can like change the look of your style, or sometimes like the pre-stretched hair is just not stretched right for me. So I'm very like I'm really big on like having my braids look very consistent and neat, and a big key to that is the braiding hair that you're using. So I know a lot of people are like, I'm not about to be stretching hair, but I will definitely take the extra time to stretch the hair if it's gonna compromise the look of my style. So yes, I used a total of 3 packs that I stretched myself, and I did cut a little bit of the hair off, so I didn't use the full half of the pack just because she's a kid and I didn't want these to be like too long. You want to keep them at kind of like an appropriate length. So I'll make sure that I link all the products that I use in the description section as always, so make sure you guys look there first if you guys want to know what products I'm using to complete this look. So I know in my last couple videos you guys have been seeing me wrap perm rods around the ends of my clients' hair. For kids, I definitely always think it's super cute when you curl the ends, and she was actually here for it, which was perfect. So I ended up rod curling those, and these pink rollers, like, I just love the way that they make the curls look. It is so cute and so poppin'. So I went ahead and did that and dipped it. Also, my kettle that I use, because a lot of people ask what it is also linked in the description section. So if you guys want to invest in one, it is literally like the best thing ever. So here you guys can see that this can definitely be worn in a ponytail, but I decided to wrap it in a bun just because that was the look that we were going for, and also the ponytail was kind of thin. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I said, little baby, I'm gonna need you to loosen up your neck for this spin around. It was literally the funniest thing ever, because her mom said she was tender-headed, but the whole time she was like, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't hurt. So I'm like, girl, you either acting a fool with your mama, or I don't know what it is, but she actually did really good. So yes guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share my work, and I will catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?